सो मालूम नहीं यार, मेरे को भी जल्दी जल्दी करना है मूवीज. मालूम नहीं इतना देर क्यों होता है.
राइट, इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जब वो स्क्रीन पे आता है ना सर, सबकी आंखें खुली की खुली रह जाती हैं, सब लोग डूब जाते हैं उसमें.
नितिन, आप हैदराबाद आ जाओ या मेरे साथ रह जाओ. इतना अच्छा बात करते हो, मेरा बीवी भी बहुत इम्प्रेस हो जाते हैं. लव यू नितिन. थैंक यू डार्लिंग.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. मेरा न्यू ईयर तो मन गया, बाकी देख लो. दिल राजू सर, दिस वंस फॉर यू. यू नो, for the first time in Indian cinema, we saw something like a pre-release event, and that too so massive in Dallas. US चले गए सर आप पूरी की पूरी टीम को लेके. What do you have to say, sir?
या सबको नमस्कार. गेम चेंजर के साथ आई वांट समथिंग न्यू. उसमें सोचे क्या कर सकते हैं. सब लोग इंडिया में सब जगह कर रहे हैं ना, चलो सीधा अमेरिका में करेंगे बोल के डैलस में प्लान किए.
And the response that you've gotten, sir, over there is like mind-blowing, overwhelming था वो. Talk to us about that.
एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी इवेंट डैलस में हुआ, जो ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 12,000 क्राउड. वो ऑडिटोरियम बाहर भी भीड़ था. सो उतने रेस्पॉन्स मिला और ऑलमोस्ट 4 आवर्स इवेंट. सब लोग एंजॉय करते. फाइनली इवेंट जबरदस्त बना.
सर सब कुछ जबरदस्ती होता है, जब आप कर देते हैं कमाल हो जाता है. दिल राजू साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं प्लीज. नाउ टॉकिंग टू एस.जे. सूर्या साहब, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड आमची मुंबई में आपका स्वागत है सर, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट सर, 180 मिलियन प्लस व्यूज अक्रॉस ऑल प्लेटफॉर्म्स इन 24 आवर्स इसको मिले हैं. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दैट एंड द काइंड ऑफ लव दैट योर पार्ट इज गेटिंग सर, दैट इज ऑल्सो सर अमेजिंग सर.
Thank you so much. Thank you, press and media, everybody. Wish you a very, very happy New Year. This year, God will bless a lot of success to this all industry, even Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannadam, Bhojpuri, Bengali. Every movie should be a hit. वो सक्सेस गेम चेंजर में शुरू हो रहा है, यही मैं सोच रहा हूँ. मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा गलत है, बट गेम चेंजर में मैंने वॉइस दिया. ओके, बट यू सी दैट my dubbing, definitely you will love it, because when this movie, when I got this offer from Shankar sir and Dilraj sir and especially Ram Charan Garu, because I'm acting with them, really it's a great honor. Really, I'm telling you, he's a bada star. He's a bada star in South, in bada star in North also. Globally, he has reached everywhere. And he's so kind. He's so very genuine actor. And he has done a fantastic performance in this film. People say, we believe in one thing. We should not talk much about the film, but movie should talk. Definitely this movie will talk. Okay, because I'm not telling about Ram Charan Garu, about him, but I'm telling about his performance, what he done as Ramanandan, and especially one big, great character, Appanna. It comes in flashback. It will steal all your heart. Definitely, he has done a fantastic. When I'm saying, I'm getting goosebumps, really, because I've seen some. No, I really mean it. And as an audience, with you only, I'm seeing this song, Jargandi song. Wow, sir, really, the producer Garu, director Garu, and sir, you carried the song so well, sir. Fantastic. You and Kiara did a fantastic. This Prabhudeva Master choreographed, and while dubbing also, while seeing the movie also, but I didn't see this. But I didn't see the whole film. But only my part I was dubbing. But when I'm seeing this song with you all, I got very high. I got high. I really loved it. People will love it for sure. And in North, Shankaranti is a big festival. No? Yeah, substates it's a big set. No? So Jan 10th, this movie aa raha hai. Big production value, fantastic concept. The movie is about a war between a Galti politician and a true collector. Okay, so and why this true collector has a backstory, that is Appanna. Okay, so what the great magic, this writing and the performance, and the scene has come out very nicely. It will all entertain you. It will all make you feel fine. It will heal you all for sure for some moment. When we see Ashiki 2, you know who made it as a big hit? Who all are going to pub? Who all are pataving other girls? They made it as a big hit, right? But you know why? Because such a genuine, soulful thought. Okay, that's such a soulful thought. When it is, everybody wants to be like that. But only they can carry that emotion for 2.5 hours, not more than that. That's why it's a super hit. Like that. So in society, we have to have a nice thing. What kind of political system should be there? Yeah. Yeah, today evening, Rajamandri mein bahut bada event hai. Okay. Yeah. What Pawan Garu doing on field, he is doing as a collector in the movie.
Wow.
No, yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, yeah, such a genuine thought has been presented by director Shankar Garu, and he has done a fantastic job. Taman Garu did a fantastic music. Everybody performed well. I also did a good job. Okay. Hope you'll all enjoy that. Okay. Definitely after success, we all come and meet you. We'll share the success and make it a big success. You all please do watch and enjoy the Game Changer. It is going to be a real game changer. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, आपने झूठ बोला. You lied, sir.
What, sir?
आपने बोला सर मेरे को गलत हिंदी, इतनी बढ़िया हिंदी बोल रहे हैं.
No.
तालियां बटोर रहे हैं सर. You already killing it. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure film देख के बड़ा मजा आने वाला है.
Movie देखने के बाद बोलिए.
अरे सर, हमने अभी बोल दिया.
I take my word. You will all love my dubbing. You will all love my voice. You will all love my performance for sure.
We are loving it already, sir. Thank you so much. वापस से ग्लोबल स्टार से एक सवाल है मेरा यहाँ पे. Please talk to us about this extraordinary filmmaker, Shankar sir, because यहाँ पे people are saying Shankar sir and Ramcharan दोनों साथ में आ रहे हैं, बहुत बवाल होने वाला है. What do you have to say on that?
See, Shankar sir made a remake of Three Idiots in South. It's called Nanban. Yeah. So when they released in Telugu, I was the chief guest for that. I was sitting it's a small story I just want to share. I was sitting next to Shankar sir. एंड मैंने ये सोच रहा था कि अरे कैसे बोलूं शंकर सर, एक मेरे साथ नहीं किसी के साथ भी इट्स ओके बट जस्ट मेक ए तेलुगु फिल्म यार. सिर्फ तमिल फिल्म बनाते हो एंड मेरे डैड के साथ बनाओ या एनी ऑफ माय कंटेम्पररी हीरोज. बट वो बोलने के लिए आई डिडंट हैव द गट्स आल्सो. एंड आफ्टर कपल ऑफ इयर्स देन आई गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम मिस्टर राज गारू saying, Shankar sir, I was doing last 2 schedules of RRR. I was working. Then Raju sir comes to Ramoji Film City where I was working. He says, Ram, so Shankar wants to work. I said, huh? I said, yeah, baad mein bolenge. He said, hello. क्या बाद में बोलेंगे? शंकर सर है. आपके पास क्या है? शंकर सर आएगा. Then I got to know it is really Shankar sir. I was like, shit, Raju sir, call right now. So it is such a dream come true for me. We all have been watching his movies growing up. Recently Mr. Rajmouli sir also said he's the epitome of commercial films, the larger than life. He has defined what is the global film and global cinema and the pan-India cinema. He was the first pan-India director we had. Hats off to him, and I'm so blessed. And yeah, I don't know how my dad will feel, but yeah, I'm very blessed. He should have done it with dad. So I'm very fortunate, and it's a blessing to work in just 5 years to work with a director like Mr. Rajmouli Garu and then Shankar. As an actor, it is so enriching, and it's so much to learn from both of them.
There's there's no comparison, of course, but both of them are like masters of their craft. But S.S. Rajamouli sir and S. Shankar sir. Sir, how do you see this thing ki, you were directed by Rajamouli sir and now Shankar sir? Kya difference hai?
Oh, thank God, difference. You didn't compare them.
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person. and especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiara and me. मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसमें. So I think both Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. It is very rare to work with such talent, and they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने के लिए time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee pe?" Yes, sir. Abhi first day tha. Then he was having a coffee, I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking, not at me, at my hair. And he called assistant director, he said, "Idhar aao, wo iPad leke aao." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, then मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया, he's not talking to me, वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है, Ram Nanda. I said, "Idhar aao." Then he started touching me. It is very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको पिक्चर ने भेजा था वो कैरावान में exactly नहीं था. I said, I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he sent. But he is so particular and he is so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Haasan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter. He's so particular. So that's what I enjoyed working with him. And yeah, that's something. Yeah.
Right. Dilraju sir, this one's for you. Please tell us, he just talked about the moolah. Of course, people are talking about, we usually talk about movie ka budget, but here people are talking about gano ka budget. They're like, yaar, gano mein itna tagda budget, and whatever we saw on that big screen is spectacular. Talk to us about it, sir.
या पूरा पिक्चर में 5 songs है. 5 songs का बजट 75 करोड़. एक एक गाना 10 दिन 12 दिन ऐसा रिहर्सल्स भी अलग है. एक एक शंकर सर ने एक एक गाना को प्रॉपरली डिजाइन करता है. अभी जो देखा है इज अ बिग सेट, हैदराबाद में डाल के 10 days इसका शूट किए. एक गाना के नाना हैराना करके एक गाना है ना, वो मेलोडी सॉन्ग, वो न्यूजीलैंड में 10 days शूट किए. इसे कुछ नया एक्सपेरिमेंटल किया शंकर सर ने वो गाने के ऊपर. ऐसा वो राम अच्छा सॉन्ग वाइजाग और अमृतसर में, ऐसा एक एक गाना 12 दिन 10 दिन, ऐसा 75 करोड़ बजट फॉर 5 songs.
सर आपको 12 दिन बोला है, मेरे को 18 दिन काम किया था.
नहीं रिहर्सल्स का अलग है बोल के बोला ना. आपका एक्स्ट्रा है वो.
अलग हिसाब किताब चल रहा है यहाँ पे, ये बढ़िया है. दिलराजू सर, पीपल टॉक अबाउट 75 crores और दिल बैठ जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ एक के बाद एक आप ऐसा गाना बना के, प्रोजेक्ट बना के दिल जीत रहे. चैलेंजेस की बात बताइए फॉर अ प्रोड्यूसर. क्या क्या चैलेंजेस फेस किए इसको बनाने में? वर देयर एनी चैलेंजेस?
नहीं, ये मेरा 50th फिल्म है हमारा बैनर में. सो आई वांट समथिंग स्पेशल बोल के मेरा मन में था. और जैसा अभी रामचरण ने बताया ना, उसको शंकर सर का फोन आया जब, उसका जो एक्साइटमेंट है सेम मेरा भी था. मैं काउंट किए, अरे क्या कौन सा नंबर पे आता है फिल्म स्टार्ट करने को. 49 था पहले. नहीं एक फिल्म पहले स्टार्ट करके इसको 50 करो. वो स्पेशल फिल्म बनता है लाइफ में 50 फिल्म बनाने के बाद. सो ये स्क्रिप्ट जब से मैं सुना है ना, ये फिल्म को प्रॉपर बनाना, जब रामचरण का वो RRR चल रहे थे, चलो RRR तो पैन इंडिया फिल्म है, ग्लोबल भी लेके गए नाटू नाटू सॉन्ग के साथ राजमौली सर ने. सो जब भी सोचा है ये फिल्म को जबरदस्त बनाना, जनरली शंकर सर जबरदस्त बनाते, शंकर सर को सपोर्ट करना एवरीवेयर, उसके लिए 3.5 साल लगा है.
एब्सोल्युटली सर, वो मेहनत दिख रही है इस बड़े पर्दे पे. कमिंग टू आवर फेवरेट Mr. Thadani. Hi sir, welcome. So good to see you. So what do you have to say about this collaboration here with Dil Raju Production, Z Studios? Of course, you are distributing the film यहाँ पे. हर किसी को मैंने कहा ना, ये films लग जाता है, so बहुत राहत मिलती है कि कुछ तो कमाल होने वाला है. 10th January संक्रांति celebrate कर रहे हैं Game Changer के संग. What do you have to say, sir?
Hello everyone. I'm really thankful for Dil Raju sir for letting me a part of this very special 50th film of his. He's been the backbone of this film, such a massive film. Shankar sir, I've dealt with before. He's always made larger than life films. Hopefully, this turns out to be as successful as his previous films that I've been connected with. Surya, he's got a massive fan following, and I've seen his skills, and he's just amazing. As for Charan, I think being such a massive star, I think he's a much better human being, a much bigger person, and it's always wonderful dealing with him. I've dealt with him earlier, and it's always been a pleasure. I just hope that this film turns out to be a very glorious one for our best ever producer.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Anil Thadani saab, ladies and gentlemen. Of course. वो बोल रहे थे ना बीच में क्या चल रहा था वो एक है ना अपना जय जय क्या था ये बढ़िया वाले लेके आए हो यार तुम हमसे भी अच्छे लेके आए हो यहाँ पे लवली बस चाबी भर दी मैंने ऐसा लग रहा है ओके I'll come back to our global star quickly you know if you have to talk about the response that you got in Dallas because आप वहां गए थे Let me tell you, the entire Indian industry, हर किसी की नजरें थी वहां पे किस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा कितना प्यार मिलेगा and we saw the event it was mind blowing talk to us about that sir
I think like Dilraju sir said already I think global platform is very important for all of us like for Indian film and especially in Dallas I think it's such an overwhelming response हमने सोचा भी नहीं था and it truly tells us how the global audience are the true cinema lovers and most of our revenue is coming from there and they truly love cinema for cinema it is and it's just not for because I am there or Shankar sir there they love a good film and to have that response I'm very blessed and just like us and our audience as well.
Right. One last question. Dilraju sir, this one's for you. You know, quickly we'll talk about the cast here. You have superstar Kiara Advani. You have global star Ram Charan. Shankar sir, the visionary filmmaker. How easy or difficult was it to get all of them together, sir? या हो गया?
नहीं पहले तो सेट इजी कर दिए और उसके बाद प्रोसेस लॉन्ग हुआ ना सबका इमोशन पकड़ के सब लोग सपोर्ट करे सो एवरीवेयर जो भी शेड्यूल के लिए डेट्स होना सब लोग सपोर्ट करके फिल्म को कंप्लीट करने में मेरे को और शंकर सर को सपोर्ट किया सबके लिए एक बड़ा नमस्कार
सर सब लोग बहुत फिल्म्स किया सर 3 साल में मैं एक ही फिल्म किया गेम चेंजर कैसे बोलते
he said it है ना सर शिकायत
वो सपोर्ट करना भी इज इम्पोर्टेंट ना रामचरण को भी दूसरा फिल्म आए थे नहीं ये कंप्लीट हो गए तो वो स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद अभी स्टार्ट किया
All I want to say is कि अब ऑडियंसेस की बारी है उन लोगों ने अपना डेडिकेशन प्यार दिखा दिया है अब 10 जनवरी को we'll get to see the movie in theaters ladies and gentlemen इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं